birthday girl, ang ating debutant. And now, natutulog siya. She's so tired, as you can see. Kawawa naman. Bes? Bes? Bes, gising ka na, Bes. Bes? 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 Bes, ang himbing naman matulog nito. Kuchi. Bes. Hoy. Hoy, Bes. Hoy. Bes. 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 Hoy, gising. Bes. Bebe. Gising. Hoy, Janeline Francisco Carpina. Gising. Birthday mo na. Uy, happy birthday. Uy. Yung ilong mo na yan. Ang cute na ilong mo na yan. At naka-lipstick kailangan pag natutulog. Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains. Bes. Uy. Uy, tribulation na. Bes. 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 Uy. Bes, gising na. Uy. Bes. 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 Bes, uy. Gising. Birthday mo na. Bes. Birthday mo na, Bes. Uy. 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 Birthday mo na. Happy birthday. Uy. Ha? Gising na. I have a solution from God. Really, alas 3 na papasok na ako sa school. Ha? Sabi ni mama, gisingin daw kita. Yun ba? Tama? Uy. O sige, ito na. Off ko na.